Humans think they own everything.
Probably American.
Now there is a father looking for his little boy.
What do these markings mean?
I never knew my father.
Come here. We're all mates here, mate. Can't read human.
Well, then we gotta find a fish that can read this. Hey, look, shark!
No, Dory.
Guys.
No, Dory.
Hey, that's mine. Get
Dory.
it. Ow! Oh,
Are
yeah.
you okay?
Ow.
I'm so sorry.
Hey, you really clocked me there. You want bleeding?
Oh.
Ow.
Dory, are you okay?
That's good. Intervention! Just a bite! So you want to get him, mate? Fish and friends! Food! One fish tonight! Remember the steps, mate! Just one bite! Good, eh? There's no way out. There's got to be a way to escape.
Who is it?
Dory, help me find a way out.
Sorry, you'll have to come back later. We're trying to escape.
Okay, there's no way out. There's got to be a way out.
Look, here's something. Escape. Whatever that means. It's funny. It's spelled just like the word escape.
Let's go.
Here's Brucey.
Wait a minute. You can read?
I can read? Not right.